STEPN is the first Web3 game that will allow you to earn while moving and walking. It's becoming the most popular game based on the Solana blockchain. Hi, welcome to TradeDog, the go-to YouTube channel for unbiased crypto research and project reviews. We are a team of traders and researchers with rich experience in investing in global markets across various asset classes. So today we are going to discuss what is STEPN, how to become a part of it, whether to invest in GMT token or not, and many more things. So let's start the video. So first of all, what is STEPN? STEPN is a GPS-based game where the app tracks your movement in steps similar to what your Fitbit does. To run, you need to purchase a pair of virtual sneakers, yes, on top of your real sneakers. These are minted NFTs, so you can resell them in the market and possibly make some profits to buy a better pair. STEPN is a type of game where you can make money while also looking after your health. STEPN is a governance token with maximum supply of 6 billion. Holders can stake it, vote on how STEPN uses its treasury. It's also used as a payment for STEPN users who have sneakers of level 30 or higher. Green Satoshi token is a utility token. It's minted daily and paid to STEPN users, and there is no cap on the total supply as well. Many people were asking how to become a part of STEPN. The game has formed a high entry barrier as of now. To begin, you must purchase an NFT item which costs between 2.5 to 10 Solanas. The inventors claim that the program pays for itself in 2 or 3 weeks after you use it. It will happen sooner if you live a very busy lifestyle. After that, you may begin earning on your investment. This is certainly a project that deserves your attention. Only the solo mode is presently accessible in the STEPN app. Background and marathon modes are in the works. The idea behind STEPN is simple enough. After you download the app and get NFT sneakers from its marketplace, you get paid in crypto for walking, jogging or running outdoors. You need to be connected to the app with a good GPS signal for your movement to count. Many people have a question that STEPN token is a good buy or not. STEPN is an extremely promising coin that is supported by crypto giants like Solana, Alameda, OpenSea and others. The token has a lot of potential, and because it's built on the play to earn concept, which is the newest craze, the future seems bright. While its crew is actively working on the project with further developments and upgrades, the pricing potential is humongous, with the price of STEPN potentially skyrocketing. Disclaimer: due to the price fluctuation, play to earn games may be quite dangerous. It's important to understand that STEPN token are both in-game cash and cryptocurrency that can be exchanged on crypto exchanges. This is a form of investment causes well-balanced strategy. Gamers' investment in the game may be jeopardized. Please note that it is nothing more than an educational podcast, not a trading advice. Any loss of investment will not make us accountable or liable. All listeners are requested to have their own due diligence before investing. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. Moreover, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.